Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Shukla. I'm back again on my channel. Let's Slice Data with Saurabh. I hope that you guys liked it till now, as I can see the views and the number of subscribers there. This is really good, channel for those guys who just want to start their career in Excel and in data analytics and data science. Before that, they have to understand the Excel. This is a very important thing because without Excel, you cannot do anything. We have already discussed these many formulas, which you can see here from copy to VLOOKUP. But yesterday's video, I got one update that I have to put some more focus on VLOOKUP, and I will show you some other formulas as well, but how to use them in Excel, which are like general. Say Excel is having like millions of formulas. You do not have to use everything. Only few things is there, like one is pivot table, which is left, and then the link part or dashboard thing, which you can create on Excel and the charts. So that I will do in subsequent videos. But today, let's focus on these formulas. VLOOKUP, decimal, concatenate, find and replace. Like, सबसे पहले, we'll start the find and replace. So find and replace is nothing but the control F is the formula. And you can do it in two ways, within the worksheet and within the workbook. So let's say in the worksheet, if you want to find anything, let's say I want to find the name Virat in this particular worksheet. I'd say just within worksheet and I will say find. So it will show me that where Virat is given and the address will be shown here, like A8 is currently showing. This is find. Let's say I can say find all. So how many Virats are there in this sheet? It will say only one. Instead of this is why I say workbook. Workbook means comparing of all the sheets, means like if you combine all the worksheets, it will become one workbook. So let's say in the workbook, if I want to select and find this particular data, so just say find all, it will show you that where it is. Now find next is, and this, if I say find all, it will show you that how many number times it has been repeated and where it is. So if you click on this, it will take you there. This is nothing but the control F. But replace is the really good function, which I really like. If you want to replace any value in the given worksheet, let's say I want to replace the name of Virat and I want to replace it with Rohit. So I can say replace all. So it will say we have done only one replacement. Why? Because I have done in the worksheet only. If I do in the workbook and I say replace all, it will make two more replacements. Because in the sheet 3, we have this name like twice repeated. This is Rohit here and this is Rohit here. Earlier it was Virat. Control F is a very important function. Control R, like replacement, is a very important function. But Control F will do the work for you. Control F and then replace. Find and replace is a very important function. Then I will focus on the VLOOKUP again. Why? Because yesterday, a few people said that please put some more focus on VLOOKUP. Okay, so VLOOKUP is nothing but equal to VLOOKUP bracket. Which column you want to check? I want to see this particular data, and I want to take the name and age, age from the column number 2. So I will say comma 2, comma 0, because the age is given in the column number 2. Enter. So it will give you the age of that particular person. So let's say you have two databases. In one database, education is there, in the other database, age is there. And you want to pull that data into the another database, you have to just apply the VLOOKUP. So you will get the age here. Similarly, if you want to see the education, just apply VLOOKUP of this particular value, comma, and you want to see the education from here, right? Because the education is given in the other database, comma 2, comma 0. Why 2? Because it's the second column. Let's say city I will do in the next term, then it will show you the third column. Okay, all the education will come here. Let's say I want to pull the city here in this new database where the city is not equal to VLOOKUP of this particular value, comma, and city. 3 columns I have selected because the city is in the third column. I will say comma 3, comma 0. So in this database, you will pull the city as well. This is the very easy function, and you can use it anywhere. And one more thing, friends, this always you have to remember. Whenever you apply any formula, it will not give you the value. So please select that particular range where you apply the formula. Control C, copy it, and then Alt TSV to make it values, so that the formula will go there, go from there, and it will become only values. This value is very important because Let's say here is the age is given in the formula form. If I delete this particular age from here, from the first database, see all the values have gone from here, right? So I will do Control Z to undo those things, whatever we have done. So this age thing is very important. And now I will do Control C and then Alt ESB. Okay, so this is the formula, put the values. So now we have covered find and replace and VLOOKUP. Decimal and format is a very simple thing I just want to show you. Let's say the percentage is given here in the form of decimals. 0.9580, 0.32, something. You don't have to apply any formula. Just go and see this particular thing in the home. There is a decreased decimal. So you can decrease it up to whatever level you want. You can apply the formula as well. I will show you in the next form video, but it doesn't need an exercise. You don't have to write formulas every time. And formats. This is the number format which is written here. Let's say you want to convert it into the currency. What will happen? It will show you the money symbol here. So this format is very important, and I am putting it in back in the number format. So let's say you want to put the number, this currency sign, or if you are dealing in the dates, you have to put the date sign or date format, timing, percentage, fraction, whatever you want. But mostly we use number, currency, dates, these three, and accounting formats. Accounting, currency, almost. So, but number, short dates, and currency, which we are using every now and then. So this is very important. Just remember this thing, that how can you remove, increase and decrease. So you can increase the decimal as well, and you can decrease the decimal. Whatever is your wish, means like whatever is your need. So this thing is also covered. Next, let's say link and concatenate. Concatenate is very important function. And when you use SQL database, guys, I'm talking something different, but please bear with me, because in SQL only, maybe I will cover a few queries of SQL in the upcoming videos, but here I'm just telling you that how to write functions there, how to write codes there. Select star from table, let's say sales, where city in, let's say we have the cities data of like 100,000 rows. We have different cities there. So we have to pull that particular data, and we have to put the city in this format. Trust me, let's say transfer, okay, in the inverted comma format. Okay, in the inverted comma format, I have to put the cities here. But generally, we do not get that. So what we will do, we will apply the concatenate function to convert this particular format, the string format, into the SQL ready format. So just remember this thing, how we can do that. Forget about this SQL. SQL I will take somewhere else. But focus on the concatenate. Concatenate nothing but to put some strings in front and back of that particular data. Let's say I want to write concatenate, and I have to put double quotes, then I give single quote and then double quote, because I want to put the country name in the single quote, comma. Then I will take this particular thing, whatever you want to take, then comma, then double quotes, then again single quote, and then double quote. Enter. See, so the India came in this particular format. This format will help you in SQL. But here also, if you want to concatenate two particular columns, you want to merge basically two columns, you can use this concatenate function, which is very important. Every now and then in Excel, you have to use that concatenate function. You have to apply this particular thing. And let's say here also, if I want to give in SQL, you have to give one comma as well. So comma, then everything, whatever you want to give it in an inverted comma format. That's it. So see here, in India, it is there a comma. And if you drag this, it will become comma. It is ready for SQL, because there you have to give in single quotes. Let's say I want to give it in concatenate, comma, single comma, then close the inverted comma, then comma, and then I will say city, comma, then inverted comma, single comma, then inverted comma, and then I will say bracket close and enter. So it is Noida. You can say this is SQL ready basically. Double quotes are not coming. I don't know. I will check and let you know then later. But for the single quotes, it is perfectly working. Concatenate. You can merge two functions. Let's say I will take one class of SQL as well. I will show you that how to use this particular function to pull the data from Excel. That is the concatenate and link. Let's say I want to link this particular Saurabh with this data. I want to go jump between the sheets, this sheet to this sheet, this sheet to this sheet, and this sheet to this sheet. How can I do that? Just right click here, link. Last option is there, that is link. And you want to connect it with the place within the document. I want to jump on the third sheet. Just say place within the document and jump on the third sheet. I will show you again, don't worry. I will remove this link, hyperlink, and then I will make it again. Right click, link. And I want to jump on the place within the document and third sheet. I said, okay. Now, if you click on this, it will take you to the third sheet. And let's say from here, you want to go back to the first sheet. Again, just right click on that, define a link, and say place within the document and say company one data because that was the first sheet, and say okay. And you click on it and it will take you back to that sheet. So simple formula, simple thing to create a link, and it will create a link for you. See, if the data is in third place, third sheet, and you want to come back to the first, just give the link there and it will work for you. So in this way, we can create dashboards. Similar links, if we use, we can create dashboards. And how we can create dashboards? Let's say here the main table is there, and I will create sales, employees and promotions and whatever. And let's say I want to click on this particular sales data, it will take me to the sales data, and there we can see only the sales. So this kind of dashboard we can create, but that will take a separate class. But understand the link, how to use it. If you click on that, it will take you to third sheet. It will take you on, back to the first sheet. This link is very important. Sometimes you can give any other link as well. You can say existing file on or a work page or email address also you can link here. You can link any kind of thing, whatever you want to do. But I prefer that in Excel, if you're working first time, learning new things, for creating dashboard, you can use this feature. And this will be a good exercise for you. If you create a dashboard using sales, employees, promotion, create 3 separate worksheets with the name sales, employees, and promotion. And here in the top one, in the first sheet, you give it name as dashboard and say sales, employees, and promotion. Here the sales data should be there, here the employees data should be there, and here the promotion data should be there. And you can come back to the dashboard, the first page, by creating these kind of links as well. So this will be a good exercise. We will do maybe in some next video. But this is also a very good feature of Excel, which you can use to create dashboards. We are talking about Tableau, Power BI. There are so many dashboard tools, but Excel is a perfect power packed tool. If you learn this, definitely you can do a great job by using these formulas. Simple. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Learn this formula, play around them. Give me any questions if you have. You can drop a message to me, and please like, subscribe, and share my channel, and keep learning, keep growing. Give me the things like trust me means I got the queries about VLOOKUP, Concatenate. So I'm doing this. Next time, maybe we'll work on the dashboard, sales, employees, and promotion. I will show you how to create that, how to do that. But this link function is very important. Just create a new Excel sheet and play around it. Thank you very much. Keep watching and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I will create the new video. Have a good day, guys. Keep learning, which is very important.